What's the most overlooked detail in custom millwork?
Actually, it could be several things, but it's what makes something custom is actually how things are joined together. There are very fine ways that cabinetry is engineered that you can tell either it's provided by a stock cabinet maker or a builder grade or whether it's full on custom. And it's really just how clean it looks, how seamless it looks, how the grain patterns go, quality of the veneers. So when it comes down to it, it's just how everything comes together so that it looks like it's fit within the space and not an added feature later. It has to look like it's a part of the home from the start.